Welcome. In this video, we tell about variables. In JavaScript, variables or containers are storing data like names, numbers or messages. Think of them like labeled box. You can store something inside and use that label as to access it later. We create variables using var, let and const. Let's take an analogy. Imagine boxes with labels. War is like an old label. It works but is not the safest. Let is the newest label, flexible and recommended. Const is a permanent label. Once placed, it cannot be changed. Here's a simple example. Wall name equal to Ali. Means we have stored the name in a variable. Let age equal to 25 can be updated later. Const country equal to Pakistan is fixed. We cannot reassign it. So, when should you use each one? Use let when you expect the value to change. Use const when the value should stay the same. Avoid var. It's old and has some kick. Stick to let and const in modern JavaScript.